How to cut and enjoy a kiwi. For both ripe and unripe kiwis, look for ones with no blemishes or shriveled areas. Unripe kiwis will feel completely firm in your hand, and ripened ones will feel firm but give just to a little bit of gentle pressure. You can use either or both the santoku or paring knife. Small task, small knife. The paring knife is perfect for this. As you can see, I switched from the santoku to get in here very delicately with the paring knife. And after cutting in half, I lobbed off just one end of it so I can take more of the point of the paring knife and then just slice down, cutting the skin off of the kiwi. It's a very thin skin, so do be careful. You can cut this into slices, make them into rounds. You can cut them small into a fine dice or even a mince, cubed up. It just all depends on what it might be going in. The best way to ripen kiwis is to keep them in a paper or resealable bag. Avoid plastic grocery store bags. To ripen them even faster, try adding an apple or a banana to the bag. To enjoy quickly, you can slice a kiwi in half and simply spoon out the flesh. Taking this paring knife, work very delicately. Again, the skin is very thin. You can use it to cut out the flesh. Unripened kiwi can be kept on the counter at room temperature, or once it's ripened, in the fridge for about a week. Sweet and tangy, enjoy any time of year.